How to change the press twice of the home button on your OnePlus Watch 2 function. So basically, when you double press this button, it's a function to access a app or setting, and you can actually change that. Let's get started. While viewing the clock face here, you'll swipe down from the top like this, and you'll look for the settings toggle. Tap on that one time, then you'll go down to where it says controls right there. As you tap on that, you will see the home button and the multifunction button. So the home button basically is this guy here. And when you tap on that here, you can choose to set a double press function for that. So when you go here, press twice, this is gonna load up. You can set it to none if you don't want it doing anything when you double press, or you can go down to have it access the recents, Play Store, messages, settings, YouTube music, or anything that's set here, and I'll access it for you, okay? So let's just say I wanted to access my phone app. Okay, so when I have it set like that, we'll swipe back away like that, and now it's gonna be set to the phone app. So I'll come here, I'll go back to the face of the clock here, and double pressing it will take me straight to my dialer app. And let's just go do that again, 1, 2, and it'll take me to my dialer, okay? And you can change that setting at any given time, like and sub.